Kilo 2 Lima.
My. There's at least 10 stations. They were howling like wolves. And the only thing I can say is the loudest one, try again. Could not copy anybody. So what I'm going to do now, that was on my local antenna, so I'm going to move around. I'm going to go to Milford, PA, and see if I can copy anybody on that SDR. This is KC9VKV.
Kilo Echo 0, Tango Japan.
Tango Japan. I walked right into your antenna on the Milford PA SDR. So Tango, come back with your whole call sign, please, sir.
Sign, please, sir. Kilo Echo 0, Tango Japan, Mark in Minnesota.
Roger, Mark. Gosh, sounds like you're in the studio with me, Roger.
Roger. Yeah, you too. That's why I stopped. Real strong signal here, about 20 over.
Roger. What radio are you running, sir?
7600 ICOM. I got a 60-foot tower with a hex beam on it and a little amp putting out about 300 watts.
Roger. Sounds really good. And tell me the thing you like best about your radio.
Well, I'm real new at this, but I guess the quality. I bought it from a friend of mine, and he'd been using it for years. He told me it'd be a step up from a starter, so I don't think I'll have to buy another one. I think it'll serve me for as long as I just started the hobby about a year ago. I'm 68 years old, so I think the quality of it.
Roger, Mark. Now, if you would be interested in hearing your audio, if you go to YouTube in the next couple of days, it usually takes us about 48 hours. We want about 48 hours leeway of getting it posted up on YouTube. But if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page, and you'll be looking for a Qso entitled My Group Aircheck 111519. My Group Aircheck 111519, and just FYI, the Milford PA SDR seems to be chopping just a little bit, so you'll hear some how should I say, pieces of audio that might be missing from time to time, and it has to do with somewhere between the Milford SDR and my SDR receiver, which is on the internet. Roger?
That's Roger. Yeah, Roger, I'll do that. If you give me your call sign one more time, I got the KC9.
Roger that. This call sign is Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor. Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor on a YouTube search. Did you copy that, Mark?
Yeah, let him go ahead with his question.
I didn't copy him at all. I'm on the Milford PA SDR, so I'm just hearing you, sir. I'll get back to my other antenna 3s to you, sir, and we'll catch you later.
Yeah, 73 is due to KE0TTJ clear with KC9VKV.